Ceramic coating, the ultimate guide. Picture this, your car, gleaming like a freshly minted diamond, effortlessly repelling dirt and bird droppings like a superhero deflecting bullets. Sounds like a fantasy, right? Wrong. Enter the world of ceramic coating, your car's secret weapon against the grime and fury of the open road. But before you rush out and slather your car in this magical potion, let's break it down like humans, not gearheads. What is ceramic coating? Imagine a microscopic force field made of super strong, super slick nano ceramics. That's what ceramic coating is. It's like painting your car with an invisible shield that repels dirt, water, UV rays, and even minor scratches. Think of it as a high-tech suit of armor protecting your car's precious paintwork. Why should you care? Okay, so a shiny car is nice, but is it worth the hype and cost? Here's why you might want to consider ceramic coating your four-wheeled friend. Effortless cleaning. Forget those endless car wash marathons. Ceramic coating makes dirt slide right off, meaning washing becomes a quick rinse and shine affair. You'll be the envy of the car wash queue with your sparkling chariot. Dazzling shine. Ceramic coating amplifies your car's natural shine, making it look like it just rolled out of the showroom. Long-lasting protection. Unlike wax that needs constant reapplication, ceramic coating can last for years, giving you peace of mind and a pristine car. Think of it as an investment in your car's value and aesthetic longevity. Scratch resistance. While not bulletproof, ceramic coating provides an extra layer of defense against minor scratches and swirls, keeping your car looking newer for longer. Is it right for you? Ceramic coating isn't magic beans. Here are some things to consider. Cost. It's an investment, typically costing more than regular waxing. However, factor in the time saved on washing and the long-lasting protection, and it might be worth the splurge. Maintenance. While low maintenance, ceramic coating still needs occasional care. Invest in proper wash products and follow the recommended cleaning schedule. Professional application. DIY kits exist, but for optimal results, professional application is recommended. They have the expertise and tools to ensure a flawless finish. Ceramic coating is a game changer for car care, offering unparalleled protection, shine, and convenience. If you're looking to pamper your car and keep it looking showroom fresh for years, it's definitely worth considering. Just remember, research, compare prices, and find a reputable professional to do the job right. So, will you suit up your car in this ceramic armor? The choice is yours, but trust me, your car, and your pride, will thank you for it. Now go forth and conquer the road, one glistening paint job at a time.